Windows are an essential part of any home, providing natural light, ventilation, and a sense of connection to the outdoors. However, over time, even the most well-maintained windows can show signs of wear and tear. In a climate like Tampa's, where the sun beats down year-round and storms are a regular occurrence, your windows are especially susceptible to damage. Knowing when it's time to replace them can save you money, improve your home's energy efficiency, and enhance its overall appearance. Here are the top signs it's time to replace your windows in Tampa. Drafts and energy loss. One of the most common signs that your windows need replacing is the presence of drafts. If you can feel cold air seeping in through your windows, even when they're closed, it's a clear indication that your windows are no longer sealed properly. This problem is often exacerbated in Tampa's hot summers when air conditioning is essential. Poorly insulated windows can lead to higher energy bills as your HVAC system works harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient models can help you keep your home cooler during the summer months and warmer in the winter, reducing your reliance on heating and cooling systems and ultimately lowering your utility costs. Condensation between the panes. Condensation between the glass panes is a telltale sign of a seal failure in double or triple paned windows. When the seal breaks, moisture can get trapped between the panes, leading to foggy or blurry windows that are not only unsightly but also less energy efficient. In Tampa, where humidity levels can be high, this problem is common. Once the seal fails, the window loses its ability to insulate properly, and the moisture can create a breeding ground for mold. If you notice condensation or fog between the panes, it's time to consider replacing the window, as this issue cannot be repaired. New windows with modern sealing technology can prevent this from happening, keeping your view clear and your home protected from moisture damage. Visible damage or crack. Tampa's unpredictable weather, including intense sun, humidity, and storms, can take a toll on your windows. Over time, you may notice visible cracks, chips, or scratches on the glass. Not only do these imperfections affect your home's curb appeal, but they can also weaken the integrity of the window. In the event of a storm or hurricane, a cracked window can shatter, posing a safety hazard to you and your family. If your windows show signs of physical damage, it's crucial to replace them before the damage worsens. Hurricane-rated windows are an excellent investment in Tampa, providing added protection during storm season and reducing the risk of window failure. Difficulty operating your windows. If your windows are difficult to open or close, it could be a sign of worn-out hardware, warped frames, or other structural issues. Windows that stick, jam, or fail to lock properly not only frustrate you but can also compromise your home's security. In the event of an emergency, you need windows that can be easily opened to allow for an exit or proper ventilation. Replacing windows that are hard to operate ensures ease of use and maintains the safety and security of your home. Modern window designs include improved locking mechanisms and smooth operation features that make daily use much more convenient. Increased noise from outside. Living in Tampa, You're likely used to the sounds of traffic, rain, and nature, but if you notice a significant increase in the amount of noise entering your home, it may be due to deteriorating windows. Older windows may not provide the same level of soundproofing as newer, more advanced models. If you can hear the outside world more than usual, it's time to consider a window replacement. Newer windows, especially those with double or triple glazing, are excellent at reducing noise pollution, helping to create a quieter, more peaceful home environment. Aesthetics and curb appeal. Windows play a significant role in your home's curb appeal. If your windows are outdated, discolored, or have peeling paint, it can make your home look older and less appealing. Replacing your windows can instantly enhance the look of your home, giving it a more modern, polished appearance. Plus, with various styles and finishes available, you can choose windows that complement the architectural design of your home and increase its overall value. Conclusion. If you're noticing any of the signs mentioned above, it may be time to replace your windows. Not only will new windows improve your home's energy efficiency and security, but they'll also enhance its aesthetic appeal and comfort. Tampa homeowners are especially prone to weather-related wear and tear on their windows, so it's important to choose durable, energy-efficient replacements that can stand up to the local climate. Whether you're looking to reduce energy costs, improve the comfort of your home, or boost curb appeal, investing in window replacement is a smart decision for any Tampa homeowner.